Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is the first time of you coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. Don't forget to click on the notification button and also subscribe, like, so that you can get more of our notification. Now I have a set of items I want to talk about. I want to show you the very effectiveness of every item that I'm having here. Now, you all know this Dr. Rachel Icicle Serum, right? I don't know if you've seen it, right? That's why I keep doing my hands like this. Yes, this is a vitamin C serum. This is Dr. Rachel Icicle Serum. It's vitamin C. And you all know what vitamin C is all about. Are you getting it? We all agree that vitamin C, lightens. But this is beyond that. A lot of us have this icicle thing here. And seriously, like a lot of people have it always under tone eyes, like, to make their eye go out, like, something, make them nervous. Some of them don't feel like going out again. When they go out, they wear makeup. But have you tried this before? Very easy to use. All you have to do, you wear it on every evening or morning. Are you getting it? In as much you have it all over your face, under other eyes like this, dark, put this every blessed day. Are you getting it? Before you know it, it becomes, it will become very soft, and it will be cleaning every day. As you apply it, it will be cleaning. Because this thing work for dark eye circle, and it work for and it work for any aging of the face. So it's anti-aging of your face. So keep using it. Are you getting it? Yes, for wrinkles as well. It works for wrinkles as well. So anything dark spot. Are you getting it? Let's quickly look so that we can see what it contains. We know that yes, it brightens. So it contains hyaluronic acid, collagen. So for those, I know some people, they said they are allergic to collagen, and I mean, nothing you will not hear. So lately I've been hearing that a lot, that I'm allergic to collagen. So I don't know what it does for you anyway, but it contains collagen as well. So 24-hour hydration, brightens dark circle. So what I was just saying, those dark circle, before you use it, morning, night, very quick, don't get tired. And they have the original one. If it's not the original one, that's where we have problem. But if it's the original one, very quick to remove, very quick, plumps, and remove puffiness, reduce appearance of wrinkles, which I've said about. So it's very good. I would advise you to use it. Very, very good. Are you getting it? A lot of people, they said they have this thing and they use it, it's not working. Leave those ones. Try this. It's very cheap also. So you can go for this. Now I want to show you something else. A lot of us will be complaining when we buy a product. You buy product from other persons, is not working. You buy product, is not working. You buy lotion, is not working. You buy face cream, is not working. You buy knuckle cream, is not working. That is the end of your problem. That is why I am telling you most times about this Blend Pro 9. Blend Pro 9. This Blend Pro 9 is the only reason that your lotion will work. I use it on my production too. Put Bled Pro 9 in your face cream. Put Bled Pro 9 in your lotion. If that lotion, if you buy it anywhere, is not working, don't throw it off. Just contact us, get this Bled Pro 9 and put this 50 ml inside. As you put this 50 ml inside, then mix it. That's all. Before you see, your cream comes up again. Boom. Are you getting it? You can see me. I was so black. Though that's my nature and I like it. This one, because of with the one said cream and they want to say your cream, it'll work. So test it for us. That is why you say I tone up. But the real color of mine is black. But with the help of all this additive I'm telling you, are you getting it? Yes. So use this Bled Pro 9, mix it inside your knuckle. Then again, you can also use this Bled Pro 9 for your knuckles only. Yes. You can be using it to fade your knuckles off. It will fade your knuckles off. Then if your cream is not very effective, it's activator. Just put it inside the cream and use as usual morning and night. Morning and night. Or if your cream is being okay but you still want to boost your cream, you can add this Bled Pro 9. Add it. As you add that Bled Pro 9, before you know it, bam, your lotion will be very, very effective. When I mean very, very effective, that's one lotion that I know vividly it will work once you put this Bled Pro 9. Yes. So go get your Bled Pro 9. Now, we talk about of our dark feet, our dark hands, how to get them, brighten. That's why I told you about this one touch magic. This one touch magic is one of these effective knuckle cleanser that I know that you can use at any time. When you use it, the reason why you use it, you will say, not those ones you will use, and you say, I'm not seeing result. No, not this, not this one at all. This one, before you use it to 3 weeks, yes, before you use it 3 weeks, your feet, your knuckles must have get clean. Let me read what he said. He said, okay, I'm coming on. The ingredients are okay, it's written with French, so that is why I can, but I know they're trying to say glycolic and some other item, vitamin E and all that. Anyway, I could not get it because it's written with French. But what I'm saying is this: if you're having a problem with your knuckles, get this one. If it's a knuckle that you've been gotten by cream reaction, yes, get this one touch magic. Are you getting it? It's a knuckle cleanser, knuckle remover. But if now the one when it be say no be this one will feel remover, go find any other solution. But as for this one will feel remover, use this. Now let me quickly show you another product that you can use that you will very, very like it. This is one of the product I've been telling you about always. A lot of people just see this product and they think maybe is it original or fake. We have a fake one, we have any only product, they are all nice. We have the fake one, we have the original one. This is the original one. It's always on sachet. It's always sealed. This product you see is not that it's not working, but not the way you expect it. That you should just know all these are additives. They are just to support your lotion, to make you lighter. But some people, they will tell you, oh, it's a whitening, it's a this, is a blah 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 blah, and you will go for it. Some people using it direct and say, it's not working. Why would it work? Are you getting it? So use it the appropriate way. How do we use it? Use it to mix your lotion. Use it to mix your lotion and be using it gradually. You see the reflection of your skin will change. The reflection of your skin might be dark and you want to see this tone, whitish tone or yellow tone, is gradually you be using just because of I'm only see there will be a day we'll go in total to tell you what all these items be made of, all these solutions be made of. Are you getting it? But today I'm only telling you how effective and how they work. Okay, so make sure you use this perfect face. Perfect face is one of additives I like using when I'm making, most times when I'm making my face cream or I'm making a body and face and body lotion together. I always use it because it's very effective. You see, this thing is light, just small in a carton. Am I sure it's gonna work? Who tell you? It will work, oh, it will work. How do you know it will work? When you have this rough face, start using some lotions. You have this rough face, then quit and buy another lotion and mix this to it. You'll see. Or buy another face cream and mix this to it also. You'll see how effective it is. Let's quickly see. Very effective in terms of 3 days. All those 3 days, 4 days, in all these what is it called? All these solutions, additives, all these items. I don't really count on them unless that when I produce, when I mix with this blood, like I tell you, okay, in 3 days, 4 days, you see results. But all this one, I don't really believe on their afforded, but all I know, it works very well, very, very well. Use it, it works. Now I want to show you something again. Among all the face cream that I believe so far, look at them. I trust these 2 face cream. Yes, this 5 days face cream and this La La face cream. You can always use them and count that they are very perfect. No side effects, So always use them. They are very, very perfect. Use them. I'm the one that told you to use them. You will enjoy them. All right. They clear your face. No blemishes. No pimples, ringworm. There are some other ones, they road bleaching. When you use them, you will really get problem with your face. Don't use those ones. They might be too hot for you because every skin differs. All right. Then also we have this diamond face glow. I don't know who owns this product, but I think if it could be whoever that owns this product, it could be some of us in here. But I talk about this product because I know this product is very good also. So you can also use it. It clear your face also. It clear your face very well. No side effect, any color discoloration. Those of us having 15 colors in our face, yes, this is the best perfect stuff you will use. All right. So please do this and get back to me. Don't forget to subscribe, like. Understand that we ship everywhere. We deliver also everywhere. So you can place your order now for the Xmas. All right. Bye bye.